So my task is to build a mock API using real-time bus schedule data, and then I have to fetch query schedule using get method. We use get method to fetch the element from the list or table, and I'm using rest assured data to add data. And also, so here we begin. So right now I'm going to create, first of all I'm going to take some data. You can get it through internet. It's in JSON. So I try to create a JSON folder here. Mm, in my desktop, its name will be transport.json. So now I'm going to check my CMD. So where is the data here? CMD to fetch my data, and I have to write JSON server and transport.json. So here I will get the index, static file, and endpoints. So uh, for now I start my Eclipse. Here I will create a new Maven project. Here I will create a simple project. After that I will put the name as bus 2, put it as bus 2, and again bus 2. So here I will get the data of bus 2. Now I will create some package named bus2, create some package, and after that I will be creating my my package here in the test folder. Sorry, so not name but in test folder. So because I'm going to test my file, so after that we will use internet. I'm going to fetch dependency rest assured. Here I will click the first link here, and I'm going to fetch this data. After that I will put my data here in POMDEX XML, and here I will create a page and I'm going to put my data. So I have given my rest assured dependency. Now after that I'm going to my bus2 folder, create a class. I'm giving the name get with public static void. So here I've created a package bus2 where I've created a get class. So now I'm going to fetch some data from the other folder. So this is the data I'm fetching. Save this file. Okay. So now I'm going to fetch some of the data here. I'm going to take my localhost endpoint straight here. After that, I'm going to run my, first of all, what I did here. First of all, uh, if I talk about here, like I imported some data, bring the rest assured library in my pom.html, and after that I use matches here to like matches here, which I use here contain string and then less than. Here I use matcher to provide methods like contain string and less than. In the main file, I have created a public class, and then I declare the main method, and after that the entry point of the program. After here I have set the base URL and the request specification. Request specification helps in building reusable request configurations, and you are adding base URL and header including the content type in JSON. So after that, I'm going to check my code is working properly. Yeah, it's fetching the data using get operation. Here I use the get request to request the schedule endpoint with query parameter root id r13, uses the entire build request specification, and here I am getting my response body as well as response code. And in the printing response section, uh, here here I use this part to check to print the STD code, status code, and response body in a readable format. So hello everyone, my next task is to create a post method. So basically post method helps in updating or sending the data to the server. With the help of this Eclipse Java, we create a class in the package of bus2, where I will give the name post, and after that use I create this class and the method. First we copy some code our code, and in order to fetch the data, and again we will give the main data method here. So here I provided the updated schedule of the bus here in the string new schedule, where I've gave the bus ID, origin, where it gonna depot, and destination city mall, and arrival time at 3:30. Status will be on time. So, and also I have provided the local base URL. So I'm going to check my code will be working or sending the same data. So here it created a unique ID 71E3. So I able to I able to send my data in the server. So thank you everyone for watching this video.